Welcome back, Cougars. It is week 3 for 3rd grade. We're going to be working on patterns. Also going to be reviewing lines and shapes and adding color. Let's start by talking about what a motif is. A motif is a decorative design or pattern, and it's the part of the pattern that repeats. We're going to talk about 2 different kinds of patterns. One is a repeating pattern. In a repeating pattern, your motif will be arranged in a regular or formal way. That means that it's going to have a rule to it. A random pattern doesn't have any rules, so you can place your objects wherever you think it looks good or wherever makes you feel happy. For this week's assignment, you'll be drawing 2 shapes on tag board, or if you have thick paper or cardboard, or you can reuse an old birthday card, you're going to be making it a freeform or a geometric shape. Geometric shapes are shapes like squares, circles, triangles, and freeform shapes are any shapes from nature, clouds or puddles. Do not make these shapes too small because you're going to be having to hold them and trace them. So I would say at least the size of like a lemon or a small piece of fruit. And you're going to cut out the shapes that you've drawn. Once you've got the shapes cut out, you're going to trace them a minimum of 16 times on your paper. I want you to have some of them overlapping. You have the choice of creating a repeating pattern or a random pattern. After you trace them, then you're going to go over each shape with a black marker and outline them. The next video will show you how I did mine. Remember, you can make whatever shapes you want to make. They can be geometric or freeform, like this blob that I made, and I also used a square for the other piece. You could use triangles, you could use cloud shapes, you can make hearts, stars, whatever kind of shape you want, and be creative with it. These are abstract designs using pattern, so there is no one way to do this. There's no right or wrong answer for this. You will not be adding color this week. That will be what we're working on next week. So once you've got your shapes traced on there and you've gone over it with a black marker, you're done for this week.